What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I last uploaded, which is so crazy. I've just been busy. I've been in school. I'm doing my master's right now. I'm just finishing up, actually. I'm graduating in May, so that's super awesome. But it's kept me busy, and of course, just everyday life, you know? Life just takes over and you don't have time to upload. So happy to be back. Also wanted to say a really quick thank you for 200 subscribers. It's so awesome that we've reached 200, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you that have been watching, and I really appreciate all of you. So thank you so much. I am planning a giveaway because we met 200 subscribers, so please stay tuned for that. It will not be in this video, but probably my next one. All right, so let's get into the video. So today, guys, we are going to be talking about E.L.F. Cosmetics, of course, my favorite makeup brand. Now, we are going to be talking about their complete skincare regimen. I have never used a skincare product. I mean, the most that I do is like wash my face, use a makeup wipe to remove my makeup, and that's pretty much about it. Oh, and then to make sure my skin is not dry, I'll use baby lotion on my skin. So, and that's like the extent of my skincare. And you know, I do break out occasionally, and maybe like 1 or 2 pimples here or there, but nothing serious. So I was like, I don't really need a skincare regimen for this kind of skin type. I feel like I'll be fine. But I just know, with my luck, it'll catch up to me eventually, and I'll have wanted to be doing a skincare regimen for a long time, and I would have missed out. So the younger that I start and I start taking care of my skin now, I think it'll really benefit me as I get older. So that is the reason I started to use a skincare regimen. And E.L.F. Cosmetics, of course, was the first one that popped into my mind because it's already my favorite brand for everything else. We are going to get into my complete review of their skincare regimen, and I will show you how to use each of the products, and you can decide for yourself if it's something you're interested in. So the first thing to remember about E.L.F.'s skincare line is that they're completely vegan, cruelty-free. They don't harm any animals in the process of making these products, which is super awesome, and I think that's really important to me. So there's no parabens, no sulfates. It's a completely natural face cleanser, which I am so in love with. So the first product I have is E.L.F.'s Daily Face Cleanser. The bottle is actually half empty because I've been using it every day since I think before Christmas. So I've been using it for quite a while, and I wanted to make sure I had used them for a while before I just recommended them to you guys, because I don't think it'd be fair to be like, oh, I use this for a day and it's great. No, I wanted to like really use it every single day, make sure it didn't make my skin dry out or break out or whatever the case may be, and then I can give you guys a full and honest review. This is the Daily Face Cleanser. Basically, you just dampen your hands and your face. You put a little bit, like maybe not a drop, what would you say? Like a penny's worth of face cleanser. Just put that on your hand, rub it together, and start scrubbing your face. And I really like this. I think it makes my face feel really, it has like that cooling feeling, and it just feels really clean. I know a lot of people use this with that scrubber that E.L.F. Cosmetics has too. I haven't gotten that yet. I just wanted to try out the basic skincare regimen first. So it says, wash away dirt and makeup with our gentle, soothing cleanser infused with purified water to hydrate the skin. Our formula leaves skin feeling clean and renewed. And that is the honest truth, guys. This is really nice, gentle face cleanser. It doesn't have any like kind of harsh smell or anything like some do. I know my husband had like Proactive a long time ago, and I used it just to try it because I think I had like 1 pimple, and I was like, oh my god, I'm breaking out. So I used it. I mean, Proactive, I know it works. I know it works for a lot of people who have like really severe acne and stuff, and that's awesome. But like for me, the smell, and then it like burned my skin. I don't know. I just didn't like it. And so using E.L.F., it's extremely gentle, especially if you have sensitive skin, and I really like this face cleanser. So that is the first thing that you use when you use a skincare regimen. So I usually use all these products in the shower in the morning, especially. So I'll use the face cleanser in the shower, and then there's also this exfoliating scrub. So it says, it helps polish away dead skin cells for glowing, healthy looking skin. It's infused with purified water and vitamin E. And this is what the bottle looks like. So what you do is, so it's an exfoliating scrub, so it has like beads inside of it. So it says, gently massage onto the face, avoiding the eye area, rinse with water, and pat dry. And you're supposed to use this 2 times a week. So that's basically what I've been doing. I don't use this every day, which is why there's still, if you can see, quite a bit in there, because you really only need the same thing, like penny's worth. And you just rub it in between your hands and start scrubbing your face. And just scrub it. You just have to scrub it gently, exfoliate it into the skin. Definitely make sure you don't get in your eyes or your mouth. I've gotten some in my mouth before, and that's kind of gross, but It is a really good scrub. It makes your skin feel so soft after you use it. I love the way my face feels after I use it. And I kind of like scrub it into my neck and everything. It is wonderful. So this is a really good product to use to just get away all those dead skin cells. And it also, I think, really helps with like when you put makeup on your face every day. Use the face cleanser. I think that works wonders. But then when you use this, I feel like it really gets all the toxins out of your face, which will obviously help you avoid getting pimples. So this is a really good product. So I hate to say it, but there was one product that was not my favorite. It was just, I didn't really like see the point in it too much. Maybe I was using it wrong. I don't know. So this is the E.L.F's Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. So you just pump a little on your hands, but I think you have to use it dry. Yeah. So you apply the cleanser on a dry face and gently massage in circular motions, rinse with warm water, and pat dry, and use it 2 to 3 times a week. I have to be honest, I only used it, I think, maybe the first 3 weeks that I had it, and then I stopped using it. So it says it's an exfoliating cleanser that gently peels away dead skin and dirt for soft, healthy, glowing looking skin. I didn't really think it worked that well. I don't know, like when you put it on and you start scrubbing, I feel it peeling and stuff, but I think it's just this. I don't really feel like it does anything to my face. But of course, if you get the complete skincare regimen from E.L.F Cosmetics, this does come with it. So I think it's worth trying because maybe you guys might feel differently than I do. But this just wasn't my favorite product. I don't know. I just don't think it worked that well for me. So yeah, it's there. Is it that great? Not to me, but everything else in the skincare regimen was awesome. So it's definitely worth it to buy the whole thing. So once I'm out of the shower or at night when I am done washing my face and using the other products, I use E.L.F's Hydrating Serum. And this serum is amazing. It kind of even works as like a primer too before you put your makeup on. So it helps lock in moisture to reduce the look of fine lines for glowing, healthy looking skin. And you just massage a small amount into your hands, gently apply it to your face and to your neck. And it says to allow it to absorb into your skin before applying other products, which is true, which is why it feels kind of like a primer. It's a little bit like tacky kind of. It's not just like regular lotion. It has like a tacky kind of thing. So when you're rubbing it on, it gets a little stiff or whatever, but it's still creamy, if that makes any sense. So if you let that absorb into your skin first, like when I use this in the morning and then I put the other moisturizer on too, I just let that sit for a few minutes and do my makeup, and I don't even use primer. So that, you know, if that says something about this, it's good stuff. And I think this one is almost, well, it's halfway full now because I use this one every single day, morning and night. So it's a really good product. So right after I put that on, I put this Daily Hydration Moisturizer on as well. And this is just like regular moisturizer, so, but it's lightweight. So it's lightweight, lightly scented, and helps hydrate and nourish for glowing, healthy looking skin. So again, you just apply a small amount to your hands, massage it into your face right after you put in this hydrating serum. You follow it with the daily moisturizer. And I love this. And everything in here smells so good. Again, it doesn't have like a strong chemical smell or anything. It seems very natural and just sits really well on my skin. I feel like anything I put on my skin, it is sensitive. Like there's some foundations I've used, I break out. And I was like really worried I was gonna break out with this stuff. But it's so gentle on your skin and just soothing, and it just feels good. And for me, like a person who's never done skincare before, that's exactly what I needed. Something really simple and something that would be super gentle on my skin, not, you know, make me break out or like have some crazy smell and everything. And this is a really, really, really good skincare regimen. I just love it, and I'm so happy I decided to do it. So at nighttime, sometimes instead of using the other moisturizer, they have a nourishing night cream that goes on your face. Looks like this. Again, the packaging is just so darn cute. Isn't it cute? And it's just like elegant, and it kind of reminds me, like my grandma used to use like Mary Kay stuff when I was younger, and those bottles and everything looked like this, and I was like, oh, I wish I could use that kind of lotion and stuff, but you know, it was like expensive, so I didn't want to like play with it. It was my grandma's stuff or whatever, but I was always like, oh, I just love like containers like this, and it just looks so sleek and everything. And now I have some of my own. So this is the Nourishing Night Cream. So it helps hydrate and refresh skin overnight for glowing, healthy looking skin. After cleansing, gently apply to the face and neck until it's absorbed. So sometimes I won't even put the other stuff on at night. I'll just wash my face with the cleanser and stuff, and then I put this on. Here's what the inside looks like. Just looks like lotion. Again, it doesn't even have like a strong smell or anything. It's just really nourishing for your face. And I wake up, like sometimes I wake up, especially in the winter time too now, my face would be extremely dry and so would my hands and everything. So this has really helped with that. The other thing that I use, but this is more so just in the morning, like after I put everything else on, wash my face, use the moisturizer, I put on this illuminating eye cream, again with the awesome packaging. So the illuminating eye cream helps hydrate and minimize appearance of dark circles and puffiness for glowing, healthy looking skin. So you just dab it under your eye right here. This is one of my favorite products. It honestly is, because when I don't get enough sleep, and I'm one of those people who like needs 8 hours of sleep, or I am like a total zombie the next day. This has really helped me out, because I remember when I had first started my job, and it was the first time I had to wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning for work, and I was like, what am I doing with my life? Like, it was so hard. And I just realized like a week after doing that, I was like comparing pictures from before I started my job to a week after, and I had the blackest, darkest circles under my eyes. I looked like I got punched in the face. Honestly, it was like so bad. So this is the eye cream. It looks like this. It looks just like the Nourishing Night Cream too. But it's really helped under my eyes. Like, my eyes are definitely not as puffy underneath anymore. And it just makes you feel more awake also, because you're putting something around your eyes. I don't know. It really helps me out. And this is also one of my favorite products. And I really appreciate it for not making me look like I'm in The Walking Dead. So that is it for my skincare regimen. I showed you guys how to use the products. I told you what I like about them, and you can decide for yourself if it's something that you want to purchase. I will link it below, but elfcosmetics.com has the whole complete skincare regimen for $51. I actually bought this when they were having a 50% off sale, so I got it for half off, like $25. So if you want to wait for that to purchase it, you can, but I definitely think it's worth the $51. I've had this since before Christmas, and I'm not even halfway through it yet. So it definitely lasts for a long time, and I think it's so worth it to go buy it, especially if you haven't started a skincare regimen yet, or if what you're using is a little too harsh for your skin and you don't really like it. This is a really good skincare regimen to start, so I would highly recommend it. You can also purchase each product individually, so if you want to start out just using the face cleanser, that would be fine too, and you just kind of see how you like it. So you can go to elfcosmetics.com, or they have it in stores too. I think I saw their whole skincare regimen at Target the other day. And you can also buy the individual products. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely go check it out. I will link everything below that I used. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel to see more. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.